In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through Apollo.io and set up an email sequence that can streamline your outreach process efficiently. This can be especially helpful if you're working in sales or marketing, where reaching out to multiple contacts effectively is crucial. Let's dive in and get started with this powerful tool. First, you need to visit the onboarding hub on Apollo.io. Simply open your web browser and type in the Apollo.io URL, then navigate to the onboarding section. This is your control center where you'll find all the options you need to set up and manage your workflows. Once you're in, look around to familiarize yourself with the layout, which will make the process smoother and more straightforward. Next, we will click on sequences. This option is prominently displayed on the page. By clicking here, you're stepping into the realm of email campaigns where the magic truly happens. Now, you'll want to create a new sequence, which serves as the blueprint for your email outreach. Look for the Create Sequence button and give it a click. This is your chance to start fresh and tailor an email journey that fits your needs perfectly. When prompted, select the option to build the sequence from scratch. This approach provides you with the flexibility to craft every detail, so it's uniquely suited to your objectives. You'll be asked to enter a name for your sequence. Think of a descriptive name that will remind you of the sequence's purpose or target audience. Once you have named your sequence, confirm your choices by clicking on Create. As you begin building your sequence, you'll want to add steps that organize the flow of your emails. Find and select the option to add a step. This portion of the process is all about structuring the journey your contacts will take. To send out an email, choose Automatic Email from the options. This ensures that your email goes out automatically at a time that you specify without manual intervention. Enter a subject line for your email, keeping it concise yet captivating to ensure it attracts attention right away. Then click on the email body section where you'll input the main content of your message. Here's your moment to engage with compelling content that resonates with your audience's needs and preferences. Following the setup of your email body, it's time to select the contact you'll be reaching out to. Click on Choose a Contact to access your contact list. Once open, search for and select the contact or contacts that you want to include in your sequence. Double check to ensure you've chosen the correct contacts, as this will dictate who receives your outreach. And that wraps up your step-by-step guide on how to set up an email sequence using Apollo.io. By following these instructions, you're well on your way to more efficient communication with your target audience. Remember, the key to success with Apollo.io, like any tool, is practice and fine-tuning based on feedback. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.